Howdy Howdy Everybody, Rocky Mountain Blue Collar here. Take 2. In today's video, we are going to be, well, I'm going to be, you're going to probably be watching. I'm going to be cleaning my truck. And I kind of figured this would be an alright video to show you guys, as in the last video you guys might have seen, or in the previous video, whatever comes first. I went down to Terra Nova Trail down in the southern Utah area, and it was really dusty. So there is that, and I want to show you guys just how dirty it was. So here we go. And I don't have my keys. Okay, so as you can see, that is dirty, very dusty. So might even just be able to see all the dust right there. So I'm not going to worry too much about everything that's in here. Mostly I just want to show you guys just the general cleaning, explain a few things. So enjoy. Alrighty guys, so that was a pretty quick general upkeep to cleaning one of my vehicles. Again, it was quick, it wasn't super in-depth. Obviously I could have spent way more time getting into the cracks and crevices and really cleaning this truck up, but I don't need to do that. This is good enough for now. I will probably on a later date, on a slightly nicer day, come back through and get into the cracks, clean up this truck a lot more, maybe take the floor mats to a car wash that has a power washer to spray out all the gunk and dirt, or even just buy some new ones. These ones are getting a little bit old. I would recommend for you guys to use, if you're just looking to do a really quick 15-20 minute job, vacuum, a rag, wet rag, and some hot water, a towel from your mother's cabinets, and just some Clorox wipes to disinfect and whatnot. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one. So, later.